top 5 detox foods that will help you lose weight. Fresh fruits and vegetables are considered the best food to detoxify the organism and lose weight. Among the wide range of different foods, there are some fruits and vegetables that can be considered as natural cleaners of the body that can improve the elimination of toxins from the body and at the same time speed up the process of weight loss. We have the list of best 5 foods for detox and weight losses that are rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Adding them to your daily menu will speed up the process of elimination of toxins from your body and help you remove those extra kilograms that are bothering you. Chili peppers. Chili peppers are rich in vitamin C and vitamins of B group as well as beta-carotene. These peppers are perfect for everyone that wants to lose weight, and it is thanks to the powerful compound called capsaicin. It is the compound that gives the heat and the burning effect when we eat this spicy vegetable. It is scientifically proven that spicy food lowers the appetite, and you will definitely eat less if you are something spicy before. Grapefruit. This fruit is one of the best for weight loss. It has amazing fat burning effect. Grapefruit is rich in vitamins C and A that are also strong antioxidants beneficial for strong immune system. This fruit is also a good source of vitamin B5 that is important for providing energy to the body cells. Half grapefruit contains around 40 calories, which is perfect for everyone that needs to lose weight. Lemon. This fruit is rich in vitamin C that can speed up the elimination of toxins from the body. A glass of fresh lemonade every morning will improve the excretion of enzymes in your body, and it will give you energy boost that will help you through the day. Lemon will alkalize your body, that way protecting you from various diseases. Lemon has the ability to flush toxins out of your body, even those that are stored in for years. 100 grams of lemon has only 26 calories, while a juice of 1 lemon will give you half or your recommended daily needs of vitamin C. Pineapple. This tasty tropic fruit is one of the healthiest you can eat. It can work as diuretic and help you get rid of the retained water in your organism. By eliminating fluids from your body, you also are expelling toxins and losing weight. Pineapple is also rich in bromelain, compound that has the ability to dissolve the nutrients in smaller pieces that the body uses as source of energy. It is also good for boosting the metabolism, which is also key for weight loss. Red onion. Red onion is packed with healthy compounds that have amazing effect on your health. It is rich with antioxidants known as quercetin and anthocyanin. Red onion also contains various sulfur compounds that have amazing health benefits. It is rich in fiber, vitamin B6, folate, manganese as well as vitamin C.